I wonder what's in this package. Drop my screwdriver. I wonder what's inside that package right there. Let's find out. And I wonder why my keys are here. Okay, so what do we have in here? Okay, so these are elevator keys. As you can see, so you guys can't really see that, it says Chicago lock, made in USA. Same thing for this one. So, I wonder what these keys... Hold on a second, I gotta get my camera focused. I wonder what these keys can be for. That's right. That's right. My Dover Impulse car operating panel. So this one is the what is this? Can't get a good... The H2389, I think it says. Yeah, 2389. And I believe it's not for the stop run, because I ordered the stop run, but it's not going to come in yet. I believe the H2389 is the fire service. Let's try. Yeah, I think it's the fire service. Yep. As you can see, it's turning. So, let's put it in fire service. On. Hold. Off. This is awesome. I finally have elevator keys for my Dover elevator button. And this one is the... Oh, a disclaimer. Never use elevator keys unauthorized. But this is my own panel, so I can do it all I want. But don't do it in public without permission. Is the H1846 key. I believe this one's for these key switches. Can't find the key switch. I'll have to figure it out. Alright guys, I found which key switch it does. It does the stop run. And probably the most important key switch in all the ones I have. This is the most important because this is the stop run. And this is how I'm going to power my door button. See? Stop, run. Stop, run. Stop, run. Pretty cool. This is pretty awesome. So, yeah. I'll put it on stop. So, yeah. I have another key ordered for these key switches right here. Those are coming in. I'm probably going to get it tomorrow. So I hope you all enjoyed this mini video of my door elevator button key switches. And that'll be it.